Hello, my friends of Hatari Labs. My name is Saul Montoya. Please welcome to this webinar that will be posted later on as a tutorial. That is the Watershed and River Network Delineation from the dataset that is the ESA GLO-30. Okay, that has a global coverage on 30 meters. Okay, and for Europe there is another option that has for 10 meters. Okay. So, and then we are going to we are going to download the data, and then we are going to define the watershed and river network from that data set. Okay. On the description of the video, you are going to find this link. So please place this link. The file, the password to download the file is on the chat as well. Okay, the password to download the file is Hatari Labs with capital H. Okay, great. So here we are going to download. Okay, so on our download folder, we are going to extract. Okay, so, and then the extracted folder, Control C, then we paste it on Control C, and then we are going to paste it here, Control V. Okay, great. Great. Mhm. Great. So if you have downloaded and then you have placed it here on the webinar of Watershed Delineation with Hatari Utils, please type 1. Two, please type 2. 2, 2, 2. Okay, great. So let's open the QGIS because I wanted to show you which is the dataset. Okay, while I have created some manual. Yeah, that I have created a manual where we are going to, from this link, okay, you have to request an axe, you have to request, so, okay, so I'm going to copy, okay, so from this link, dataspace.copernicus.eu, okay, we have to request, okay, we have to create, okay, we have to create an account, okay, so you go here, yeah, and then say I'm going to register. Okay, I'm going to register. Okay, and okay, I have here some screenshots of what I have done. Okay, so for example here I just give any, okay, so any type of information, your password. Okay, then okay, then I have given some purpose of climate change, whatever. Okay, but I am, okay, in order to access the data, the GLO-30, you have to sign up for this Copernicus contribution mission. Okay, so, and then you use the category public, you put your company, okay, and then you don't have a Copernicus project name, so it's not applicable. Okay, and then from that you accept the user license for the CCM data, okay, and then you register. When you register, okay, when do you register, you have to verify your email address, okay, okay, you have to verify your email address, okay, and here, but the problem is that after 1 day, okay, the problem is that after 1 day, you will be granted the permission to access the CCM. That is the problem, okay? So in this part of the tutorial, okay, in this part of the tutorial, what I'm going to do is I will show you the procedure, okay? And then later on, you can do it by yourself, okay? What I'm going to do is on let's explore the data set. Okay, so here I have a data set that is in WGS 84. Okay, this you have it. Okay, and if I put a satellite layer, it's a place in the US. Okay, and it's a mountains area where there was a mine. So it is like this. Okay, on the okay, so please follow me while I'm working on this data. Okay, so I am going to sign in because I am already signed in. Okay, let's see. No. Okay. Okay, great. So please follow me. I go to Copernicus browser. Okay, please follow me through here. I go to the Copernicus browser. Okay, and right. So here I go. If you can place your questions, huh? Don't worry. So you can upload a file. What I am going to upload, okay, I'm going to upload the snippet file, okay, the snippet file, or you can upload a JSON as well. So here, GitHub, no, okay, on the shape file, I have the snippet, okay, all of this shape file is snippet, okay, it has to be in WGS 84, okay, and it will place me like this, okay, great. If you are following through here, please type 3. If you are following me through here, please type 3. If you are following, please type 3. Great. So what is the trick? Okay, the data set of them is actually for year 2011. Okay, so I'm going to search the CCM them. Okay, that is the GLO-30. There is also on GLO-90 as well. Okay, and if you want to see the 10, you have to look for this, but in this case, this is not in Europe. Okay, and then here you have to put 2011, 2000, no, 2004, for example, okay? Because if you put 2025, since the data is from 2011, actually it won't give you any result, okay? So you type search, and then here you have the, you have two here. So you have the DGE, is digital ground elevation, this is DTE, that is digital terrain elevation. So the terrain is actually corrected because actually it is pretended that do not have any, that doesn't have any, that doesn't have any building or so on. But since this is just has no coverage, so we are going to use this one. Okay, so we don't load that. Okay, it's downloading. No questions? Let me know if you have any questions. Okay. The video will be immediately available in patreon.hatarilabs. Okay. And this tutorial will be released as a tutorial in 1 week. So if you want to support us, you want to support our research, you can join us in Patreon, yeah. And then while you are joining us as well, you are going to um, wait, you, you support our research, so with that we can do more stuff. Okay, great. So this is the link, and then you get access to all the videos, not exactly to do the one. I mean, to all the videos, because there are some videos that are not going to be released as tutorial. Okay, so I have downloaded the data. So here I have downloaded the data. Okay, I will. Okay, let me see what you have here. If you are okay, the data here. Mhm. So here on the data, we are going to extract. Okay, this is what we are going to download. Okay, and but the data is here in Copernicus, here on them, and this is the data set. Control C. Okay, and I go here to the webinar. I go here to the raster file, and then I put Control V. Okay, great. So let's explore the data set. Okay, let's explore the data set. Here I am the raster. Okay, and this is the data set. Okay, great. So here you have the DEM and the dataset. We are going to do some operations, and for that we have to assure that we are working in the same system of reference. So here we have EPSG 4326, so WGS84, and this is as well WGS84. Okay, so we are going to clip the raster, clip raster by mass layer. So the input layer will be the Copernicus, and the clipping will be the mass layer. Okay, so we run this, and we got this. Okay, we got the clipped them. Okay, I'm going to export, save as. Why we cannot give all the them to the Hatari Utils? Because if we gave all the them, Hatari Utils only works with them till 20 megabytes. Okay, so actually you cannot give the whole them. So we go to the webinar, to raster, and this will be them clip. In my case, will be them clip 2, but okay, and from now on, you have them clip, okay, and the then clip is the repository version, okay, this one, that is the repository version that you have, okay, that is the clipped raster, okay. So you can open that in QGIS, okay. So if you are following here, you can open the them clip, okay. So I can open the them clip. I can open the them clip, okay, and that is the same. I mean, the them clip is the same, okay, and we are going to, okay, so the them clip is of just 1 megabyte, okay, and then we are going to define the watershed and river network from this, okay. First of all, who of you have an account on Aquifer? Okay, so let's go to, no, to with Hatari Utils. So just go to utils.hatarilabs.com. No, let's go with this. Utils.hatarilabs.com. Okay. Please type 1 if you have an account in utils.hatarilabs.com. If you don't have an account, please type no. Okay, so create your account. So you are here on the utils.hatarilabs.com, signing. Okay, you go to the Hatari Labs account, you go to continue, and then you register here. Okay, so just give your first name, your last name, your email, and password, and confirm the password. Okay, so please do that, and once you have done it, please type 2. Okay, now that you have created your account, let's go to utils, let's go to continue. Saul Montoya. Okay, here will be your password. Okay, and then we create a new one that is GLO-30. Okay, please, in the name you have to put a name that do not have any special character, any spaces, and so on. Okay, and then we have created our project. Okay, we go to enter. If you are here with me, please type 4. Okay, Muhammad. Okay, if you are here with me, please type 4. Who else? Great. So we go to Basic Delineation. Okay, we are going to select the DEM file that is on the TIFF format, and the DEM file here is on the webinar on raster. I am going to use the DEM clip 2, okay, but you can use the DEM clip. Okay, so I'm going to use the DEM clip 2, but you can use DEM clip. Okay, great. Okay, we upload that. And here we have the DEM, the flow direction, and the flow accumulation. If you are here with me, please type 5. Great, great, great. I need one more, please. Great. So we go to next. And for example, if I define with the default value, look what it will happen. Okay. For me, or for the purpose that I want, the accumulation, okay, that is the minimum number of upstream cells that will define the is too dense. I mean, the river network is too dense for the purpose of my research. So in my case, I will give 300, define 3000. Okay, that is really up to you. Okay, this river network is better suited of what I want. So please, is the one that I want. Okay, if you are here with me, please type 6. Okay, so we need to define a discharging point, okay? And this has an snap automatically, so you can just place anything anywhere here. So I'm going to define here. This will be my discharging point, okay? Where the click, where the cursor have the finger, okay? This will be my, so I will define. Okay, so here I have the watershed, the river network, and the main river. Okay, so this is the river network. This is the longest river, okay, and this is the watershed. Okay, if you are here with me, please type 7. Okay, so we have some stats. That is the area, the perimeter, the main river, the shape factor. We have the profile of the river, okay, and then we have the time of concentration based on the different formulas. Okay, well, this is some output of the, but we go to download. Okay, we go to download, and it will have downloaded the basin files. Okay, so here are the basin files. I'm going to extract here. So it will provide MNT, Hatari Utils, GLO, process, and shape. Shape. Okay, shape. I'm going to rename shape v2. Why shape v2? Because you have another, okay, you have another folder in the description that is shape. So in my case, I'm going to name it shape underscore v2, always avoiding the spaces or the special character. Okay, the underscore is a common character. So we go to the webinar, and then we paste the shape v2. Okay, if you are here with me, please type 8. Okay, who else? Great, great, great. Okay, so here on the shape v2, I'm going with QGIS. I open the shape v2, and I'm going to see the catchment. This is the catchment, and the river network. No, the river basin. The river basin. So here, not the river basin will be this one. Okay, and the catchment will be whatever, this one. Okay, great. Okay, great. So this is the tool, okay? The, the system of reference is 4326, and that's it. So this is our tool to define basins, and and these basins are the ones that we have here. Okay, everything is geospatial, and I want to see if you, okay, I'm going to stop